This is the houseboat video that you always see. And this is the bedroom that I'm standing behind. This is the top double decker. As you can see. Look it. See. Look at the roof. It's made out of wood. Look at the bottom. It's made of wood. Everything is made out of wood. So as you can see, look. As you can see, I am standing behind the kitchen. You see the kitchen. Do you see the kitchen? Do you see my hand? And the final place. This is the passenger room. This is the captain's place where he drives. Look at the waters and the raindrops. ഇല്ല റെക്കോർഡ് ചെയ്തില്ല.